You know what's fun? Apps in Intune. There are a ton of solutions that help with application packaging, updating, testing, deployment within Intune. It can be quite overwhelming to have all of these options and not know which one to go for or which tools combine the best and what you should do when it comes to app packaging. I've done videos on app packaging, I've done courses on app packaging. I've got a Pluralsight course that I've just finished recording specifically about application packaging within Intune. But that's not going to help you if you're looking for a tool that helps you reduce the effort or mass deploy applications and mass update applications across your estate. So I'm going to help you out. I've compiled a short list of third-party solutions and tools that I think we should look at as a team. I'm going to go through them one by one. They're in no particular order, so don't take anything from the fact that one of them is at the start and one of them is the end. That's nothing to do with what I've done here. So we'll start out with the PowerShell Application Deployment Toolkit. The PSADT is a community tool that has been around for a long time. The neat thing is if you've packaged applications within SCCM or Config Manager using the PSADT, they can be very easily moved over to Intune with very little effort. So that's one cool thing about PSADT. I was told that the best time to start using PSADT was last year, and the second best time is now. If you want me to look at PSADT in more detail, leave a message in the comments and I'll take a look. Next, Intune Packager. Done a video on this already. They've made a lot of improvements and changes since that video. Essentially, this is a very neat and clean application that helps you deploy Windows Package Manager based applications across your estate. Cool thing about this app is that it's multi-tenant, which MSPs will love. If you want me to take another look at Intune Packager for you, let me know in the comments. Next, Patch My PC. If you've been to any tech conference actually, you'll have heard of Patch My PC. They're very community focused, they're deep within the community, and they're loved by the community as well, it seems. So, Patch My PC is all about gathering information about your application estate, discovering which applications are installed in the environment, and getting those patched in as quick a time as possible and making sure you're secure. If you want me to take a look at Patch My PC for you and post on the channel, just let me know in the comments. Also, I don't say this very often, but it would be brilliant if you could like this video and, like all my videos if you can, but like this one in particular. I want more people to see this. This is just free advice that I think can help people learn about different tools that are available, learn about community solutions, learn about free things that can improve someone's job. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. If you have, thank you very much. All right, that's the message is over for the day. So next up, Remo III. Remo III is an application or a solution that helps you test applications within your environment. It allows you to test your apps on your image or your configuration across all the different patch levels that are available to you. Its focus really is application testing. Deployment is also in there as well. If you want me to take a look at Remo III for you, leave a message in the comments. Finally, the Intune App Factory by the MS Endpoint Manager team. This completely free community solution under the MIT license, and this actually isn't a tool that packages applications for you. This is more of an automation framework to reduce the mundane effort and the repetitive effort that you have within your application deployment process. If you want me to take a look at the Intune App Factory for you, let me know in the comments. That's it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.